guys, welcome back to Labs Out Loud. Yeah, I know. There's a lot of questions. Where have we been? What has been happening to our channel? I'm here, as you can see, based on the title, to give you guys a channel update and to announce the winner of our giveaway. Remember that $500 credit giveaway a long time ago? Yes, I am here with the results. It wasn't a scam. Alright, so let's deal with the less fun side of the video first. Just get it out of the way. Knock it out of the park. As you guys can see, it's just Shad here with us today. And unfortunately, you guys have to get used to seeing me a lot more on my own than what is being accustomed to, as this is the new, how do I say, this is the new way forward. Alright, so the channel, a lot of persons have been asking what has been happening with the channel. The channel will go on. I will be posting videos more consistently. I will try my best to get visitors and other guests to come on. We'll still be doing challenges and educational videos, vlogs, pranks, and a lot more in store. So I am hoping that you guys will stick with me. We still have the mission of spreading our profession out there in the world. We still have that mission to complete. So I'm hoping that you guys will still come along with the journey and get others to join in on our journey as well. Alright, so moving on to the more fun side of the video, or giveaway. So we had asked you guys to come up with a name for you guys, so we don't have to be saying you guys, and I have the results. So let me just go into my little blue book and look for the names. So I'm going to be calling out names that you guys had suggested, along with who suggested what name, and then at the end I'll say the winner of the giveaway. So remember, it was $500 digital, Lime, or international phone credit. And yes, if you were overseas, it would have been converted, so probably the $500 would have been a $5 or less, but yes, you would still have been benefited from the giveaway. So our first contestant was Roger, and he suggested laborites or loadies. As you guys know, those of you in Jamaica and those of you who follow Jamaican news, the government has called the election. So laborites kind of sound too similar to labor rights, especially at this time. We don't want to be affiliated with any political party, so please excuse my orange shirt. This is not an orange shirt. This is a what's another color for orange? It's a rusty reddish brown shirt. Alright? That's the color shirt I'm wearing. So Roger suggested laborites. We're not going to use that name due to politics. He also suggested loadies. I kind of like that, and I think that you guys are indeed loud. I am very happy that you guys are loud in your support for the channel. But we're going to, so that's one of the top suggestions, loadies. Like I could say, what's up, loadies? That would be nice. So Natangia, she suggested LOLers. LOLers. What's up, LOLers? Is that the winner? We shall see. Mishka suggested LOL family. Welcome back to the LOL family. I do like that name, but it sounds like I should have a husband, a child, you know. I mean, I should have a whole family out here, and it will be a family channel. So maybe in the future, Mishka, God's willing, we will see if we will become the LOL family. But for now, it's just me. Monique suggested LOL squad, lab gang, team LOL, and labbers. So she gave 4 suggestions. LOL squad, I like that. Welcome back to the LOL squad. Or lab gang. No, we're not going to use any gang, any army, because living in Jamaica, we do not want, even if it's for something good, we don't want to be associated with a gang. When somebody type in gang in Jamaica, this is what they will see. We don't want to be associated with that. So yeah, but we will see if one of Monique's suggestion is the winner. Richie suggested lab squad. Lab Squad. Welcome back to the Lab Squad. What's up, Lab Squaddies? You know, that's a suggestion. We'll see if that's the winner. Jamar suggested Laborites. Laborites. So this sounds like you have a right to be in the lab, right? I like that one. Joby suggested Laborites. Now tell the truth. Look how the channel clean. We don't want a rodents around here running up and down. I do not want to call you guys lab rats. I don't want to have to come in the video with the bacon and the red and spray. No. We clean and we nice. We don't want the lab rats. We don't want a rat around here. No, we're not feeding a rat. Alright. Junior suggested technicians. Technicians, that kind of sound like you guys are behind the scenes, so not hold up the camera, you know, not part of the crew, the background crew, like we don't really get noticed, but we not string up the lights so people can see and make sure say I am clothed and stuff like that. So that's not what you guys are. You guys are spreading the word. You guys are supporting. So I'm not gonna call you guys technicians. Alright, Mr. Rose. This one is funny. Mr. Rose suggested pilots, and he even gave a background story. He said that because the channel has taken off, and it is because of the subscribers are the pilots. I like the concept, but I think it would be more suited if it was an aviation channel, and if I was actually a pilot or a air hostess. I mean, I could be an air hostess. Do they have a height requirement? I have to check it out, but I'd love to travel all over. Alright, so I had suggested Lola, but it's like labs out loud. I don't know the A part. I just came up with the acronym Lola, but I don't know. So I know I'm definitely not the winner of this giveaway. So that's the suggestions we got. So now I'm going to reveal the winner of our $500 giveaway. And the winner is Richie with Lab Squad. I hope you guys agree with me that Lab Squad was indeed the best suggestion. I know probably not all of you will agree, and if you don't agree, I'm hoping that it will grow on you and you will eventually become a part of the squad. Alright, I really hope you guys like that one. So I can just come and say, what's up, squaddies? What's up, Lab Squad? Lab Squad, fall in! I am so happy to finally announce the winner of the giveaway. And as I said, guys, please, I'm going to need your support more now than ever. Alright, please, guys, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm really happy that you guys have still been with us even when we haven't been posting, and you guys have been messaging, reaching out to find out what's going on. I am glad that you guys are so invested. And there was a point when I did not want to continue and I was going to just stop, but you guys are the reason why I'm here, why I'm still filming. You guys motivated me to know that I can make a difference in this world, and I will not let you guys down. I will continue and I will try my very best. Alright, this journey is new for me. Please, guys, be understanding or give me suggestions as what I can do to improve the channel and stuff like that. I am looking forward to your support, and thank you guys for sticking around. I love you. Bye, Lab Squad. See you in the next video. Peace.